Question: if I drew a video game character, something that I've really never drawn before, how do you think that'll turn out? Let's find out. Yo, what is up everyone? My name's Tweet. Charlie's in the bed sleeping, but nonetheless, we both want to welcome back to a brand new video. Now today we're going to be doing something a little bit different that I've never done before, and it is, can you draw that video game character? Now this is a series where I actually want to create into a bigger series to where I take random games that I probably haven't played in a while, or not at all, and see if I can draw their characters from their actual frame.
Okay, so first of all, thank you guys so much for being through that intro, because I kind of butchered that one. But also, now we're on the actual base sketch of the actual drawing. This is actually the most crucial part for me, in a way, only because I am taking multiple references and combining them into one to create a new image. And also, we need a foundation so that we can work with, and that way when we actually ink, we'll know what we're doing and we don't have to worry about any changes that we want to make later. We're doing this all now. So word of advice: get your base sketch, make sure it's to your liking, and make sure you like what you're doing, and relax and have fun. Now we are on the actual coloring aspect of this video. Now this has actually got to be my most favorite part of the actual drawing, only because I get to work with so many dark colors in this one, because I did want to give Ryu this kind of brownish darkish tone, because this is Evil Ryu we're talking about, so I gotta give it some darkish tone to this. And the coloring, oh my gosh, it was dope. I love it. I hope you guys do too. So this is the part of the video where I just don't say anything else, because I really don't have much to say, because, you know, it's kind of self-explanatory with the drawing. I did add some effects, like some aura, some actual nice little effects in it. So just wait till the end. I'll show you guys in a minute, but enjoy the rest of the video and I'll catch you at the end. Well, here it is, the final product of the actual drawing itself. I am very satisfied with these results. The skin, the actual outfit itself, the aura, as you can see, I do love it. I love the way the colors are very vibrant. They come together, they complement each other. The skin actually is my favorite thing on this drawing. Like, I love the aura, I love everything, but it's just that skin that just sets it for me, and I really like it. Matter of fact, since you guys are here, why don't you tell me what's your favorite part of this actual drawing? Do you like this drawing? Like I said, if you do, let me know your favorite part. You like the hair, the headband, the skin, the aura, the whole thing in general? Or if you don't like it, tell me what you don't like about it. Tell me what I can do to improve. I mean, I am an artist and I continue to want to improve. But nonetheless, I know this video is a little bit short, but I am working on a double upload for this weekend. Oh, excuse me, it's like 4 a.m. when I'm doing this, so I do apologize. But I am working on a double upload for you guys, so the video will be appearing to a little bit shorter than my normal videos. I do apologize for that, but the double upload rules are in effect and I gotta follow them. So if you don't know what double upload rules effect means, basically if I miss an upload on a weekend, and obviously if I tell you guys or don't, The next following weekend has to be 2 videos, so that way I can make it up to you guys, because you guys are always here viewing, liking, commenting, and sharing, and I really do appreciate you guys' effort with that. But nonetheless, from myself and Charlie, we both want to say have a good weekend. Shinobi, strike that like button actually, and if you're new around here and you want to see more content, because I have a lot of ideas coming up in the near future, why don't you hit that subscribe button? It's free, and you can always change your mind afterwards, so don't worry about, you know, paying something, you know, it's all good. But nonetheless, I gotta go. I gotta get ready to do this other video because I gotta get started editing. But thank you guys so much for watching. I really do appreciate you guys. Please have a good weekend, and remember, drink your water. Yeah, I'm getting sleepy. I'm just gonna go. Bye.